Let us discuss about ectoparasiticides. Parasiticides. Before understanding this term, we should understand what is ectoparasite. What is ectoparasite? Ectoparasite is a parasite that infects body surface. Body surface. Body surface in the sense like scalp, hair, skin. Okay, so these are the areas where we can find infection, right? Scalp, skin, hair. So in these areas we will find infection by this ectoparasite. Okay, so what is ectoparasite? It is parasite that infects body surface. And what is this ectoparasiticides? These ectoparasiticides, these are the pharmacological agents that kill this ectoparasite. Clear? So let's see the pharmacological agents. First, let's see what are the ectoparasite infections that we have. Mainly, we have scabies, right? Scabies is a ectoparasitical infection, right? Scabies, and we have. Okay, so these are the important infections caused by ectoparasite. Now let's see the pharmacological agents. We have mainly 7 pharmacological agents here. First one is permethrin. Second one is linden. Third one is benzyl benzoate. Fourth one is crotamine. Fifth one is sulfur. Sixth one is, we have 2 more drugs. Sixth one is dicophene. Sixth one is dicophene. Seventh one is ivermectin. So we have mainly 7 pharmacological agents against ectoparasites. The pharmacological agents are permethrin, linden, benzyl benzoate, crotamine, sulfur, dicophene, and ivermectin. Clear? Now let's see each of these drugs in detail. The first one we have is permethrin, right? Permethrin. What is the mechanism of action of this permethrin? This permethrin, what it does, it causes paralysis of ectoparasite. It causes paralysis of ectoparasite and thereby killing this ectoparasite. One thing you should remember is this is the most potent drug, most potent ectoparasite. Okay, and if take about the side effects, the main side effects are itching, tingling sensation, rash. Okay, these are the 3 important side effects: itching, tingling sensation, rash. Okay, so what we have learnt about permethrin? Permethrin, it causes paralysis of ectoparasite and results in death of ectoparasite, right? So the important side effects we have here is itching, rash, tingling sensation. And we should remember one thing here is these almost this won't absorb into human body. This is usually applied over the surface, right? Because it is surface infection, so we apply this permethrin on the surface, and this permethrin will not get absorbed into human body. That means it won't get absorbed into human body, so we don't find any side effects. The side effects that we have seen here are very very minimal. Okay, we don't get any serious side effects. Okay, and this is about permethrin. Now let's see linden. Next drug that we can see is linden. Okay, Linden. See, Linden has got similar mechanism of action like that of permethrin. Okay, similar action. What is that action? It is paralysis. It is the paralysis of ectoparasite. Okay, this is the similar action like that of permethrin. But the thing here is, this Linden will get absorbed into human body. Right? So we can get side effects. What are the side effects that we can get, that we can see in Linden intoxication? Let's see the side effects. The side effects are, the first one is CNS stimulation. Second one is vertigo, convulsion, cardiac arrhythmias. So these are the important side effects. Clear? And as I told you, as it gets absorbed into human body, so we should not use in in women with pregnancy, children and infants. Okay, so we can not use in pregnancy. It is contraindicated in pregnancy. It should not be used in children also. It should not be used in infants also, right? So Linden is contraindicated in this people. Then the next drug we have is benzyl benzoate. Benzyl benzoate. This drug is also contraindicated in children. Okay, in children pregnancy we cannot use this drug. There is nothing more about this drug. Clear? And now the last next drug is crotameton. This drug will get absorbed into human body very minimally. Minimal absorption is seen into human body. So this can be used in children also. Okay, this is about crotameton. Next, move into ivermectin, the last drug. Ivermectin can be used in AIDS patients also. Clear? This is the only important point regarding ivermectin. Okay, so let's revise what we have learned in this lecture. In this lecture we have discussed about ectoparasites, right? We have discussed about ectoparasites. So what does it mean, ectoparasites? Ectoparasites means these are the organisms that infects body surface. So what is ectoparasites? These are the pharmacological agents that is used to kill this ectoparasite, right? In this category we have 7 drugs: permethrin, linden, benzyl benzoate, crotameton, sulfur, diclofenac, ivermectin. Clear? So among these drugs, permethrin is the most potent drug. Clear? The mechanism of action of permethrin is paralysis of parasite, right? Ectoparasite, and that results in death of parasite. And coming to linden, the action is similar, but it gets absorbed into human body, so we cannot use in pregnancy, children, infants, right? Coming to benzyl benzoate, this also should not be used in children, right? In coming to crotameton, this can be used in children. And the last drug that we already got is ivermectin. Clear? Ivermectin can be used in AIDS patients also. Clear? Thank you for watching.